Hello, this is Dr. Prasad Pudielam, continuing my class series on innovation and design thinking. The theory part, explaining the theory article version of my classes. Earlier, I just put the object type question and answer. It's already available in my YouTube channel. Now, continuously, I am putting the theory part of that. The study material, the important points which you can download from the description box of this YouTube channel. Down description box, if you go, you'll get a clickable thing which will download the PDF version of my study material which I prepared. So this PPT points which I made that you can download. Okay, so I'm covering the module 2, part 2 actually. In part 1 actually I covered only tools for design thinking. There is I find a lot of tools which are used for the design thinking, to execute the design thinking concept. So one class I took only for that. Now the remaining portions I am covering in this particular class video. Okay, so first one, that is real-time interaction capture and analysis. Real-time interaction capture and analysis, it refers to a process of collecting and analyzing data on how users interact with a design in real time. This can include the user behavior, such as how they click, how they scroll, or their hover reactions, as well as collecting feedback and input from the users. So the data collected can then be used to inform and improve the design process. There are many tools as well as technologies which can be used for the real-time design interaction capture and analysis. A few of them are given here, like the heat map and clicking tracking software. Okay, so these tools they track the interaction on a website or an app and create visual representations of the data, such as the heat maps and the click maps, to show where the users are clicking, or what are the things they are scrolling, and where they are spending more time. Okay, so they will get the feedback from that. Then user testing platforms, they allow the designers to conduct user testing and collect the real-time feedback on a design. It include the remote testing, where the users complete task on a website or app while being observed by a researcher, or in-person testing, where user complete task while interacting with the prototype. Session replay software, this software they record the user interactions on a website or an app, allowing the designers to watch and analyze the user behavior in the real time. Eye tracking technology, I hope eye tracking, watching how the movement of eyes is very important. Okay, so this technology, it uses a device to track the movement of the user's eye as they interact with a design. So this can provide insight into where users are looking and what elements of the design are most engaging. Okay, so these are some of the most common tools and technologies which are used for the real-time design interaction capture and analysis. So it is important to choose the right tool for a specific project as well as a specific goal. Okay, next that is efficient collaboration in digital space. Enabling the efficient collaboration in digital space, it means creating a digital environment where team members can easily share their ideas, providing feedback and work together on project in real time. There are many ways, some of them are actually given here. Okay, so using the project management software like the Trello, Asana, Monday.com, some of the examples which are seen. These are the teams to organize a task, to set the deadline, and assign team members to different tasks. So this allows everyone to stay on the same page and know what needs to be done and when it to be done. Then the design collaboration software, tools like InVision, Figma, Adobe XD, which allows the teams to work on a design project together in real time. So this means multiple team members they can work on the same file at the same time, making it easy to share ideas, providing the feedback, and make changes as and when they needed. Then video conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, which allows the team members to communicate and collaborate in real time, even if they are working remotely. So this enables team members to have a face-to-face meeting, share the screens, or show the products or show the items as such, and collaborate on project together. Encouraging open communications, encourage the team members to share ideas, ask questions, to provide the feedback. By using or by fostering such an open and inclusive environment, the team members are more likely to feel comfortable sharing their thoughts, which can lead to better collaboration. Establishing a clear protocol for communication, as well as file sharing and project management. This will help the team members to understand how the system works together effectively and efficiently. So these are just a few ways. Okay, some of the benefits are also mentioned. It enhanced teamwork is the real-time collaboration, streamlined the project management, and considerations like find the right combination of tools and strategies that can align with your team needs. Okay, so these are just few ways of enabling the efficient collaboration in digital space. And also it is very important to find the right combination of tools and strategies that works best for your team. Okay, now next, empathy for designs. Empathy for design, it refers to understanding and considering the needs, the wants, and experiences of user when designing a product service. This can include the user research. Designers can create products and services that are more user friendly and meet the needs of the target audience. Empathy for design can be applied in various ways, like user research, user testing, user-centered design, empathy mapping, etc. Okay, so user research, conducting user research such as the interviews or surveys and observations to understand the user needs or their requirements or their pain points. This information can be used to inform the design process and make decisions about the product or services. User testing or testing the product or service with a group of users to gather feedback and identifying the areas for improvement. This can be done through usability testing or other methods. There are many, even EAB testing is there. So many testing you can see in the reference if you refer. User-centered designs. Adopting a user-centered design approach, which puts the needs of the users at the center of the design process. It can involve or involving users in the design process, such as through co-creation workshops or design sprints, etc. Empathy mapping, creating the empathy map to understand the user needs or their requirement or their feeling or pain points or their goals, or can be done through empathy mapping. So this can be used to inform the design process, and it can also be used to create personas to represent different user groups. About personas I explained in my previous class video. So by incorporating empathy for design in design process, the designer can create products and services that are more effective, user friendly, and meet the needs of the target audience. Collaboration in distributed design. Collaboration in distributed design, it refers to the process of working together on a design project with the team members who are located in different physical locations. It can include working remotely in different time zones or across different countries. With the advancement of technology, there are many tools and methods available to facilitate the collaboration in distributed design teams. Some of them like the video conferencing tools like Zoom or Skype or Google Meet. This allows the team members to communicate and collaborate in real time, even when they are working remotely. Or the project management tools like Trello, Asana, Basecamp. This allows the team members to organize the task, set a deadline, and assign team members to specific tasks and keep track of their progress. Now the cloud-based design tools like InVision, Figma, or Adobe XD, which allow the team members to share and work together on design project in a real time, regardless of their real location. File sharing, such as Google Drive. I am sharing my notes through the Google Drive. You are downloading it, but it is shared through my Google Drive. So Google Drive or Dropbox, OneDrive, which allow team members to share and collaborate on files, including the design documents and project related works. Communication tools such as this Microsoft Teams or Google Chat. This allows the team members to communicate and collaborate in real time, regardless of their location. Time management, such as the Word Time Buddy, Calendly, TimeZone.io. These allow the team members to schedule meetings and collaborate across different time zones. Okay, benefits of collaboration in distributed design. The real-time collaboration enables unlimited or seamless collaboration despite the team members being in different locations. It allows efficient project management, facilitate organized task management, deadlines and progress tracking. Global accessing like allows teams to work together regardless of geographical barriers. Challenges and solutions. The communication barrier. Use effective communication tools to bridge the gaps. Time zone differences. Utilizes the real-time design thinking concept. It utilizes time management tools to schedule meetings and coordinate across different time zones. Next, okay, that's about module 2 as such. Module 1, module 2 part 1, and this is the part 2 video completed. Thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel, My Intuition 4865, by subscribing it and liking the videos, sharing it to others. Thank you very much for being my support, and have a nice day.